In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can disable the Windows Defender on your Windows. So let's get started. So first is you just need to press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window. So once you have opened the Run window, then here we just need to simply type regedit. It's regedit and click on OK. Now you will be directed into the registry editor window. So here just simply follow me for the path that we are going to navigate. So we just first to look for HK local machine, okay? So once you have clicked on HK local machine, expand the list by clicking on the arrow. Then you need to look for the software folder, okay? Click on this arrow to expand the list. Now here we just need to simply look for policies folder. So scroll down to the P section to look for policies folder, and here it is. Now click on the arrow next to it to expand the list. And here you can find Microsoft. Also click on the arrow to expand the list. Now we can find in here Windows Defender, okay? So once you have found the Windows Defender folder, you just have to make a right click on it and select new, and then select the word 32-bit value. And we are going to assign the new value name right here. So just simply follow me. It's capital letter D, small I S A B L E, capital letter A as an apple, small N C I, capital letter S, small P-Y-W-A-R-E. It's disable anti-spyware. The same thing as what you can see on the screen. No spaces in between, just one word wherein the capital letter is letter D, letter A, letter S of each word disable anti-spyware. Okay? So once done, click on the open space and then double click on the new value. Change the value data to 1. Okay, it's 1. Then we just have to simply click on OK. And after that, we have to close the registry editor window. And then we have to restart our Windows to apply the changes that we have made. So we have to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And that's it. Okay? So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.